Hey guys, Czar here, back with you. It is 12:25. We are in the Twilight zone, taking a short, waiting for the comeback now to that piece, the white line, and there it is, guys. You see the pullback right there, entry. Obviously this isn't live, but I'd like you to see the entries exactly when they are hit. There's another chance right there, even though this is a recording. Short the NASDAQ, and I'll explain the trade to you in a moment. There's another opportunity there. Here we go. Now, as most of you know, I rarely trade in the Twilight zone unless I see something pretty darn compelling, and I'm seeing that here today. Daily, of course, we are in a rampaging bull market. We have pulled back and retested the high of last week's range. You'll see that in the video that's beside this one from my trade this morning. This is my second trade of the day. First trade was a short. This one, of course, is a short as well, but now above the open range, making a return down to the open range, if the trade works out, of course. Why am I taking it? Well, key resistance from yesterday's New York zone. And of course, we are in the New York zone today, here on this quad witching Friday. This zone was respected again on the open of Asia overnight around 6 p.m. Respected again coming into the pre-market and open for the UK session, and now being respected and rejected again at around lunchtime in New York. 12:37, dropping back. We have a 1, 2, 3 confirmation of a change in trend. What does that mean? Well, it means this. It means we have a break of a trend line, right? Breaking of a trend line, failure to reach a new high, and then breaking of the prior pivot low right there. See that there? The confirmation of a change in trend. Number 1 is the break of a key trend line. Number 2 is a failure to reach a new high. And number 3 is the break of the prior low. And that's the 1, 2, 3 confirmation of a change in trend below EMAs and flipping EMAs at the time. And now it's the patience game. And there it is, guys. Took a little bit of time to play out, but not that long at all. Very clean setup, a very rare Twilight zone play for me. It's 12:49. I entered the trade at 12:25 or so, give or take. And really, because of the units of conviction all coming together, this is a zone reversal trade. It's also a VWAP reversion trade. See that? Tagging right into the VWAP after being extended in the morning. And then bearish, of course, context on the higher time frame. This is 2 blue bodies, bearish candle break on the daily, tagging important key zones and rejecting from them on the 30-minute chart. And then a near perfect 1, 2, 3 confirmation of a change in trend. Break of trend line down, right? Failure to reach a new high on a subsequent attempt, and then break below pivot right there. There's the entry. Driving back into VWAP, which is right here on the other chart as I showed you. That'll be it for me today. Just 2 trades and 2 R to finish the week. Have an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon.